Hello everyone, this is Miss R. Dayal and I welcome you all to my second class of EVS. I hope you all are safe and staying at home. Today in this video, I will teach you all our second chapter of EVS, that is parts of our body. Please sit with your EVS book and a pencil and an eraser and open chapter 2. So let's begin with our chapter, parts of a body. A human body has various parts which help the body to perform varied day to day, and each body part has its own unique function to perform. Our body parts can be divided into two parts. First, external parts, and second, internal parts. So first we will learn about external parts. What do you mean by external parts? External parts are those body parts which we can see, touch and feel. And the external parts are head, neck, hands, legs, eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Mouth. A mouth has lips, teeth and tongue. Each hand has 4 fingers and a thumb. Leg. A leg has thigh, knee, foot and ankle. Each foot has 5 toes. Second body parts is internal body parts. Internal body parts, which is also known as internal organ, are those body parts which we cannot see from outside. First, brain. Brain is the body part or organ which controls the actions of all the other body parts. The brain helps to think and react. Second, lungs. Lungs help us to breathe and we have 2 lungs. Heart. Heart pumps blood to the various parts of the body. Fourth, stomach. Stomach is the body part where all our food that we eat are stored, which is used by the body for energy. Fifth, bones. Bones give shape to our body. An adult human being has 206 bones. 6. Muscles. Muscles help us to move our body parts. Now open page number 13. There is an activity box that you all have to do. A. In that you have to write 3 things you can do with the following body parts. Example, first, hands. What you can do with your hands. Write 3 things about that. And likewise, write for legs and mouth. Second section, leave it. Only you have to do the A section in the book. Now we will all learn about sense organs. Sense organs are those organs that help us to sense the things around us. These are, first, eyes. We see with the help of our eyes. Second, ears. With the help of our ears, we can hear sounds. Third, nose. Our nose helps us to smell. Fourth, tongue. Taste buds on our tongue help us to taste food and eat and swallow the food we chew. It also helps us to speak. Skin. The skin covers our body. It helps us to feel things, if it is hard, soft, hot or cold. So what should we all do to take good care of our body? The simple steps to do so are as follows. First, brush your teeth twice a day. Second, clean your tongue. Third, rinse your mouth after every meal. Fourth, bathe daily with soap and water. Fifth, wipe yourself with a clean towel. Sixth, wear clean and tidy clothes. Seventh, Comb your hair neatly. 8. Trim your nails every week. 9. Do not bite your nails. 10. Eat healthy food. 11. Take proper test. 12. Exercise regularly. Turn to page number 16. Now we will do the assessment. First, arrange the body parts in the correct column. In the box it is the body parts has been given. Now you have to distribute it in between external body parts and internal body parts. Please do it for me. So the external body parts are head, neck, hands, nose, ears, mouth, legs and eyes. So now come to the internal body parts. The internal body parts are brain, lungs, heart, stomach, bones, muscles. Now come to the B section, match the following. Column A, it is given. First, we move our hands and legs with the help of, find the answer in column B. So what will be the answer, students? Yes, number B, muscles. Now look at column A, second number. We breathe with the help of, find the answer. Yes, number C, lungs. Column A, third number. We think with the help of, the answer is, yes, number A, brain. Column A, fourth number. Blood reaches our body parts with the help of, the answer will be, yes, E number, heart. Column A, fifth number. This is like a bag that holds all the food we eat. So the answer will be D, stomach. Now turn over to page number 17. C section. Fill in the blanks by choosing words from the clue box. What are the words given? First, thumb, 4, lungs, wipe, bite and bones. So the first number, we have 2 dash which helps us to breathe. The answer will be lungs. Second, an adult body has 206 dash. The answer will be bones. Third, each hand has dash fingers and a dash. So the first blank is 4. The second blank is thumb. Fourth, we should never dash our nails. The answer is bite. We should never bite our nails. Fifth, after taking bath, we should dash ourselves with a clean towel. What is the answer? Yes, wipe. Now the D section. Write true or false. First, we feel the pain of an injection because of our skin. The answer is yes, true. Second, we should brush our teeth only once a day. The answer is false, because we should brush our teeth twice a day. Third, we should exercise regularly. The answer is yes, true. Fourth, the taste buds are present inside our nose. The answer is false. The taste buds are present inside our tongue. So, number 5th, we should keep our body clean. The answer is true. Okay, this is all for today's class. Please revise whatever I have taught you today, and please read chapter 3 for the next class. That is all. Thank you. Take care, study hard, and stay at home. God bless you all.